Let's learn how to fix the standby mode red tint on iPhone. If you want to turn off the red tint when in standby mode but don't know how to do it, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you will know how to do it without watching another tutorial. I believe it annoys you when the clock, calendar, and other items are red while in standby mode. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings is open, you will be on a page with many options. On that page, you need to scroll down a bit. After scrolling, below the wallpaper option, you should see the standby option. Now you need to click on the standby option. This will open a page with a few options. In the display section, there will be only one option, which is night mode. If you don't want the clock, calendar, and other items to be red when in standby mode, you need to turn off night mode. You can do this by clicking the button next to it. Once you do this, the clock, calendar, and other items will no longer be red while in standby mode. This was a tutorial on how to turn off the red tint while in standby mode. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.